What's going on, everybody? It's time to pulverize some weeds. So right here we have a we have a new weed and grass killer that we are about to use. Fast acting, see results in 20 minutes. I'll leave y'all out here until I come back and pick it up. It has the directions for use and all of that good stuff, and make sure you wear your proper PPE. Y'all can look at all of this, pause it for yourselves. Another thing they said on here is if you have like weed that's like 5 inches or 6 inches high. So basically you want to spray this before your weeds get too high, or else you'll just be killing just the leaf of your weed. Again, this is weed and grass killer. Do not spray your grass if you don't want your grass to die. Let's go ahead and get into it. Again, if you have skin irritation and all of that stuff, make sure you wear gloves. So I went and put on some gloves anyway, just in case, because I don't know how this stuff is going to react to my skin. I do have long sleeves, long pants, as always. Well, not always, but you know, if you got skin irritation, then yeah. So right here, you see where it says spray, and then you have off. It says it right there. Stream is shooting out straight like that, and then you can turn it to spray, and spray is where it sprays out far. So we're going to stream it, and I will put y'all on the laps. Let's go ahead. I got these 2 rolls right here. I'll save the rest for weed battles and all of that good stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and it's safe to say that these weeds got pulverized. So I did look back at the recording, and man, did the weeds die out really fast, like really fast. All right, and it's really brown, dead. If you don't know what to do after this, then I'm going to show you. Knock them suckers out. Then blow it away. I'll get it up with the lawnmower. Nice and clean. Look at that. That will be it, you guys. Stay tuned. More weed control products coming. And yeah, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.